Hello students, how are you? I think you are all fine. Okay, can we move to the today's class? Do you know what is our today's class? Yeah, today's class is about words and letters. Okay, today's class we have 5 types of level and 5 types of questions. Now we will move on to the first level and first question. Are you ready? Okay, Eva has written down the word apple 4 times. Okay. How many times did she write the letter A? So, Eva has written down the word apple 4 times. If you write the word apple one time, there will be 1 A. If you write it for 4 times, then there will be 2, 3, and 4 A in one apple. Do you all understand? I will repeat it once again. There is one A in one apple. If you write 4 times this apple, then there will be 4 A's. Okay, can we check the answer? Can we check the answer, children? Yes, the answer is right. Now, moving on to the second question. On Friday, Sophia starts to paint the letter, the word orange. Each day he paints one letter. On what day will he paint the last letter? Okay. Sophia starts to paint the word orange on Friday. Each day painting one letter. On what day will she finish the last letter? So on Friday she starts to paint the letter O. On Saturday she starts to paint the letter R. On Sunday she will paint the letter A. On Monday she will paint the letter N. On Tuesday she will paint the letter G. On Wednesday the letter orange will be completed by painting the letter E. So the answer is Wednesday. Can we check the answer? Are you all ready? Yes, the answer is right. Now moving on to the third question. Which letter on the board is not in the word owl? I repeat the question once again. Which letter on the board is not in the word owl? So, owl consists of 1, 2, 3 words O, W, L. We have to cross check with the board and the word owl. So, we have L in the board. Also, we have L on the owl. We have A here, but there is no A. We have O here. Also, we have O in the owl. So, the letter N and A is present in the board but not on the word owl. Can you guess the answer? Yes, the answer is A and N. Okay, now we move on to the fourth question. Nolan wrote various words in code in such a way that different digits represent different letters and the same digit represent the same letter. For example, the word ball was coded as 6, 4, 8 and 8. One of the words below was coded as 6155491. Okay, I will now explain it. So, Nolan has Nolan wrote the word ball with a code 6, 4, 8 and 8. If you see the last two letter L and L, here also the same digit 8 and 8. So in the answer box we have to look for the same words that are arranged front and back. In this code 6155491, 55 is placed in the third and fourth place. So we have to look for a word which is same placed in third and fourth place. Now coming to here, surgeon. Here there are no repeated words. Here in harbor we have repeated words, but the repeated words, it is not placed back to back. So this is also not in our option. In sweater there are E and E, but this is not placed back to back. So we now look for the fourth option. In message we have the repeated words yes and yes, which is placed in the third and fourth place, which similars with the code 6155491. So the answer is message. Can we check the answer? Okay. Yes, it is the right answer. So now moving on to the last and the final question. Are you all ready for the final question? Okay. Glory has three brothers and three sisters. How many brothers and sisters does her brother Sam have? I will now explain it. Glory has Glory has three brothers and three sisters. Three brothers and three sisters. Now when we add up these numbers, we have 6 plus 1. Adding upon Glory, we have 7 members in their family. Okay, now they want how many members, how many brothers and sisters does her brother Sam have? So Sam is one of the three brothers, right? If Sam is one of the three brothers, then there will be one brother minused from this 3. So 2. Two brothers for Sam, because Sam is the third brother. Okay, we consider Sam as the third brother, then there will be two brothers for him. So Glory will add upon on the sisters count plus 4 sisters. So totally 7 members in their family. The total will not change. So Sam has 2 brothers and 4 sisters. Can we check the answer now? Okay. Yes, the answer is right. Okay, children, thank you. We will meet you on the next session.